Hi, my name is Jolene Coomber, and I'm an audiologist with Avenir Hearing in Moncton. At any point where someone is feeling that they have doubts in their hearing ability, or if their family members or friends are commenting that maybe they're not hearing as well, it usually is a sign that it's time to get your hearing checked. So when you're getting your hearing test done, first, when you come in, we ask you different questions about your hearing health history. So have you worked in noise before? What are your concerns? Do you have a family history of hearing loss? Just those types of questions. Then we do what's called a tympanogram, and it's just a little puff of air in your ear. It doesn't hurt or anything. It's just to make sure that your eardrums are moving normally. Afterwards, we take you to the sound booth. You just wear a set of headphones, and we have you repeat a list of words. That's just checking your speech clarity or how well you can discriminate words. And then lastly, we have you push a little button every time you hear a beep sound, just to make sure that we can measure your hearing levels or your hearing thresholds, and then we go over your results. If you're worried about having your hearing tested, you shouldn't be. We really walk you through the whole process. We make sure that you're comfortable and nothing is painful or invasive. If you've been thinking about getting a hearing test, be sure to give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out and walk you through the process.